Welcome to Lana English Channel. In this episode, you will learn how to improve your English faster with ChatGPT and AI tools. Smart tips for new learners. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Lana English podcast, part of your favorite Lana English channel. We are super happy you're here again with us. Really. Every time you press play, we smile. Every time you come back for another episode, we feel proud of you because it means you're staying consistent. And consistency is basically the secret sauce of learning English.
Exactly. And if you're new here, hi. Hello. Welcome. We don't bite. Lana sometimes tries to, but she promised to behave today.
No, I'm a good person. But seriously, if you're new, please hit that subscribe button. Not because we want to be famous, no, but because, yes, but also because we want you to grow with us. So just click it, tap it, smash it, hug it, whatever makes you happy.
Yes, hug the subscribe button. It needs love. Anyway, before everything, let's tell you what you're going to learn in this episode. That's important.
Today, we're talking about something amazing, something powerful, something that is changing the way people learn languages. ChatGPT and AI.
In this episode, you'll learn how to use AI tools like ChatGPT to practice English speaking, improve your grammar, learn vocabulary, get reading and writing corrections, make your own study plans, stay motivated every day, and avoid common AI mistakes new learners make. We'll also give you examples, simple exercises, and fun challenges.
Oh, and don't forget, go back and listen to our previous episodes. They will help you understand today's lesson even more.
Yes, the previous episodes are like warm-up exercises before the gym. You don't want to skip them, unless you want to break your English muscles.
Jack, that's not how muscles work.
Well, in my imagination, it works. Anyway, let's begin.
So let's start with the big question. Why is AI so helpful for learning English? Because AI is available 24 hours a day, doesn't judge your mistakes, and answers instantly. It's like having a personal English teacher in your pocket, one who never gets tired, never complains, and never asks for coffee breaks.
Which is funny because we always want coffee breaks.
True, very true. Think about it. When you talk to real people, sometimes you get shy. You don't want to make mistakes. You worry they will judge you. You feel embarrassed. But with AI, you can relax.
Yes, you can speak freely. You can write something totally wrong, and AI will still be like, nice try. Let's fix it together.
That's why so many new learners love AI tools. They help you practice without fear. Section 2. How to use AI to practice speaking. Let's start with speaking, because speaking is the biggest fear for most learners. AI can help you practice speaking in many ways.
Example time. Imagine you want to practice simple conversations. You open ChatGPT and type, "Let's practice a conversation about ordering food in a restaurant. Please correct my mistakes, but be friendly." That's it. AI becomes the waiter, you become the hungry customer.
And the good thing is, AI never gets angry. If you say, "I want chicken pizza with banana," AI will just smile and say, "Interesting choice. Let's continue."
You can also ask AI to give you speaking challenges. For example, give me 5 speaking questions for beginners, or ask me simple questions and wait for my answer.
Let me show you a short sample speaking conversation you can do with ChatGPT. You say, "Hi, I want to practice speaking. Can you ask me one simple question at a time?" AI says, "Sure. First question, what did you eat for breakfast today?" You say, "I eating bread and tea." AI says, "Great try. Small correction. I ate bread and tea." Okay, next question. See? friendly, helpful, and you learned without pressure. Section 3. Using AI to improve grammar.
Okay, grammar time. Don't run away, stay with us. I know grammar can feel painful.
Painful, like stepping on Legos.
Exactly. But AI makes grammar easier. You can copy your writing, maybe a paragraph, and tell ChatGPT, please correct my grammar and explain the mistakes in simple English. Boom, you get corrections instantly.
You can also ask for grammar explanations. For example, explain the difference between I went and I have gone in easy English with examples. AI gives you a clear explanation, simple examples, and sometimes even pictures if you ask for them. Section 4. Learning vocabulary with AI. Vocabulary is one of the best things to learn with AI. You can ask for new words, synonyms, simple examples, picture descriptions, daily vocabulary lists, vocabulary with audio if your tool supports it.
For example, try this. Give me 10 beginner English words about food with simple examples. Or, teach me 5 new verbs with funny example sentences. AI will give you easy, friendly examples like, the cat jumps on the table because it thinks it's the king.
You can even ask for vocabulary games. Give me a vocabulary quiz for beginners. I will answer and you check. Learning becomes fun, not boring. Section 5. Reading practice with AI.
Reading is super important, and ChatGPT can create reading materials made exactly for your level. Just say, write a short story for beginner level about a man who loses his keys. Use simple words. Then you read. Then you can ask, give me reading questions. AI creates reading comprehension questions instantly.
You can also ask AI to make the story easier or harder. It's like magic. Section 6. Writing practice with AI. Writing is another big area where AI shines. You can write something, anything, and ask ChatGPT to correct it. For example, I am practicing English. Please correct this paragraph and explain my mistakes. AI will tell you exactly what to fix.
You can even ask AI to write something with you. Let's write a story together. I will start with one sentence and you continue. It becomes a fun teamwork project.
Section 7. Listening practice with AI. If your AI tool has voice options, you can do listening practice too. You can say, read this text slowly, or read this text with a British accent, or read with an American accent.
You can also ask AI to explain audio words you don't understand. For example, what does gonna mean? AI will tell you, it means going to. It's informal. One of my favorite things is using AI to create a study plan. Tell ChatGPT, make a simple 20-minute daily study plan for me. You get something like 5 minutes vocabulary, 5 minutes speaking, 5 minutes reading, 5 minutes writing. Perfect for busy people.
Section 9. Mistakes people make when using AI for learning. Now let's talk about the mistakes people make when using AI for learning. Mistake 1. Using AI too much and not practicing real life. Mistake 2. Copying answers without thinking. Mistake 3. Not asking AI to explain corrections. You need to understand why something is wrong.
Mistake 4. Asking AI for very difficult explanations. Keep it simple. Ask for easy English. Mistake 5. Not talking to real humans. AI is great, but humans add emotion, culture, feeling.
Section 10. Exercises you can do today. Let's give you some practical exercises you can try right after the episode. Exercise 1. 5-minute speaking practice. Ask EI. Ask me simple speaking questions, one by one. Wait for my answer. Practice for 5 minutes. Exercise 2. Vocabulary quiz. Ask EI. Give me a vocabulary test for beginners. Exercise 3. Grammar fix. Write 1 paragraph. Ask EI to correct it. Exercise 4. Reading story. Ask. Write a short story for my level. Read it. Answer the questions. Exercise 5. Daily routine. Ask EI to create a study plan.
Do at least one today. Don't just listen, practice.
Section 11. Staying motivated with AI. Let's talk motivation. AI helps you stay consistent because it's always available. You can practice anytime, morning, night, lunch break, bus ride.
And AI never says, I'm busy, or I'm tired, or please stop asking me about grammar. I can't take it anymore. No, AI is always calm.
You can even ask AI for motivational messages.
I did that once. AI told me, Jack, you are powerful. You can do anything. I almost cried.
Oh, see? AI can be emotional support too. Thank you so much for being here today. We're so happy you joined us again. We're proud of you for taking another step in your English journey.
If you're new, hit that subscribe button. Do it now. Don't make us come find you.
And don't forget to listen to our previous episodes. They will help you build strong English foundations.
This was the Lana English Podcast.
And we'll see you in the next episode.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep going.